Hello guys, this is our new product, our single line table press, and this is detachable, so it has 4 parts. So you just need to install these 3 things. This is the legs, the longer legs, and the center legs, and this is the registration panel. Yan. So we will attach it here, so you can see it later. So we will start first by attaching the legs. So to attach the legs, you need to put it here, and we'll install the middle first. So this is the holes. There's a holes there also, so we just need to match the holes. Then we put these bolts and nuts. So we put it first in the first hole, this, and so it's very easy guys. Then we put the other bolt and nuts. Oops, don't forget to put it the front. Okay, then we just need to lock these 2 bolts. So to make these legs stronger, need to use Allen wrench. So make sure you lock these legs properly guys, so it won't move when you are printing shirts, because if these legs moves, your alignment will be in a mess. So make sure to properly lock these legs. So these 2 holes here, there will be the screws. So you just need to put it in the tables, on the table. So next guys, we install the the longer legs. So these longer legs will be here. Make sure this panel here is facing the left side, because we will screw these holes here, these 3 holes, to make it not movable when we install it on the table. So same process guys, we just need to match the holes and put these bolts and nuts. Oops, so make sure this one is always on the front. So the next one. Oops, so I always forget this thing. So we need this one to properly lock the legs. Okay, so our legs are done. So the next step, guys, we install the last part. So this is our registration panel. So the good thing about this is you can use a T-guide for registration, or also you can use our own 3-point registration. So we have a video about it. You can search it in our channel. So to install this one, it's just a simple step. Same with the legs. Right. So make sure these 2 bolts here is on top. Like this. And hold this the bottom. We put this on the holes like this. You can see it. That. Then put this one. Lock. Put this one. Then lock. Then we lock these 2 bolts. So make sure you lock this properly so it will be movable, because our registration depends on this. Our alignment depends on this registration panel. So that's it, guys. That's how we assemble our single line table press. So we sell it on our Lazada and Shopee store. So just check it out. So for videos on how to actually use this single line table press, we also have a video in our channel. You can check it in our channel. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.